I'm with my friend Anam.
Hi guys!
She is a fan of me starting this YouTube channel.
100%.
So yeah, look, Trisha's here. You remember her from last night?
Hey, we meet again.
We meet again, Ashley.
Yeah, I told this girl she needs to start a YouTube channel ASAP.
Is this your vlog? It's my vlog.
Because she's super talented. All about that life.
Stop. Okay.
You're gonna
okay,
see
say
a
bye
lot
to
of
these-
me because I'm bae.
Oh dear God.
And Trisha's just fixing her hair.
Cash, regular.
Hi guys, wow, I look a mess. But I got back from working out and then I cooked up some grilled chicken and teriyaki sauce. I started this is my second week of current rotation. I have a photo shoot actually for Brown Girl magazine, which is a magazine that I make videos for. Some of you probably know me from there. Hi. But yeah, I have a photo shoot for them on Saturday. And so I've been trying to work out a bit just because I don't at all, and like it would be nice if I put a little bit of effort into myself before I went and like took pictures. So I've been trying to eat healthy and work out, and by working out the only thing I can honestly do is run because my gym is really far from here. So I went on Monday, but other than that I've just been like running outside and the weather's been really nice. So that's what I've been doing, and I'll show you guys what I'm eating right now. Basically, this is just some grilled chicken that's like pre-cooked and frozen from Costco that I defrosted and threw some teriyaki sauce, soy sauce, and sriracha on. No oil, no butter, none of that. Just straight up the chicken and the sauce, and it actually tastes pretty good. Got out pretty early today, around like 11 something, and then I went to go get my eyebrows done because I have a photo shoot with Brown Girl magazine tomorrow, which I'm really excited about, and a wedding event to go to. So I needed to get that done, and it was really cool because like they used a chocolate cream wax, which like made me really hungry. But yeah, I just like ate a little at home, and now I am leaving Brooklyn, Queens to go back to the Bronx. Okay, I'm coloring my daddy's hair. Daddy, why?
I don't know. We go to party tomorrow. And Ria graduation.
That's why you have to look nice
Yes, beautiful and young.
with dark hair.
Yeah.
But you're a young guy without dark hair.
No.
Hey guys, wow, my lips are really bright right now. But yeah, I'm trying out a new color from ColourPop Cosmetics. It's called Chi Chi. And I don't know how I like it, but I guess it's good for summer. So yeah, I'm all ready. I am headed out to dinner with my family for my niece and nephew's graduation. They graduated from elementary school and middle school. So I just came home today after my week in Brooklyn, and just gonna spend the weekend in the Bronx at home. It's still a light week. I still don't have to study for exams. I passed my OBGYN shelf, so I'm like really happy. And yeah, it should be a fun weekend. I'll do a quick outfit of the day. Nothing crazy. It's just a plain summer dress. So yeah. So this is the dress. I think my parents actually got it from Atlantic City, like on the boardwalk. But yeah. Simple yellow orange summery dress, and it has like a built-in necklace, which I love. Where are we going, Daddy?
Ria graduation party.
Ria and Aryan's graduation party.
Ria
Everybody's
and
there.
Aryan, Mr. Aryan. Graduation.
Well, tell everybody hi. Just say hi, everybody.
Everybody hi.
Okay, so how do you like the ColourPop?
I love
You're wearing it right now, right?
Yeah.
What color?
Oh my gosh, I don't even know the
Tulle?
name.
Was it Tulle?
It is Tulle.
Okay.
Yeah, it is so good.
And you like
the
it?
The texture is so good.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to get a few more colors.
Yes. Okay. Cheers to the graduates. Cheers. Yes, hold it up, Aryan. Cheers, Ree. And what is it? Biology? Say it again. Do you mean biology?